Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. I wish all of you good health. Let's start today's video.
Introduction: The Garlic Secret. Today, we're diving into the world of garlic. This amazing ingredient has been used for centuries for both its culinary and medicinal properties. But there's a right way and a wrong way to consume garlic, especially if you want to avoid some common pitfalls. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of eating garlic, the potential risks, and how to maximize its health benefits safely. The garlic legend. Did you know that garlic has been a secret ingredient for many great chefs and healers throughout history? One such story is about an Italian grandma who credited her long and healthy life to garlic. While garlic is renowned for its flavor and health benefits, eating it raw can have some surprising effects on your body. The power of garlic is more than just a spice. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and medicinal properties. Let's look at some of the incredible benefits of consuming garlic. 1. Boosts immunity. Garlic contains a sulfur compound called allicin, which has antimicrobial properties. Allicin stimulates the immune system by inducing the production of white blood cells, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of garlic can help prevent colds, flu, and other infections, thanks to its antibacterial and antiviral qualities. 2. Lowers blood pressure. One of the well-known effects of garlic is its ability to lower blood pressure. The sulfur compounds in garlic help relax blood vessels and improve blood circulation, reducing cardiac strain. Studies have shown that garlic supplements can help decrease hypertension, but always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. 3. Reduces inflammation. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis. The chemicals in garlic have been shown to fight off inflammation, enhancing joint flexibility and decreasing swelling. Regular consumption of garlic can help manage various illnesses and improve overall joint health. 4. Promotes heart health. Garlic's ability to lower cholesterol and improve blood flow and circulation makes it excellent for heart health. The compounds in garlic help widen blood vessels and prevent blood clots, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Eating garlic daily can help safeguard your cardiovascular health. 5. Anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that garlic contains components that may help prevent certain types of cancer, such as stomach and colon cancer. The sulfur compounds in garlic can neutralize carcinogens, lowering the risk of cancer. While more research is needed, adding garlic to your diet can be a proactive step toward cancer prevention. 6. Improves digestion. Garlic promotes the synthesis of digestive enzymes, enhancing your body's ability to break down food. This can help alleviate digestive discomforts like bloating and constipation. Garlic's antibacterial properties also support gut health by maintaining a healthy balance of gut flora. 7. Enhances bone health. Garlic is a natural source of manganese, which is essential for maintaining strong, healthy bones. Manganese aids in bone formation and repair, helping to prevent osteoporosis. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce the risk of bone loss due to long-term inflammation. 8. Fights off colds and flu. Garlic's antiviral and antibacterial qualities make it a superfood for boosting immunity. Regular consumption of garlic can reduce your risk of respiratory illnesses like the common cold by as much as 63%. Its high vitamin C content further supports a strong immune system. 9. Reduces stress and fatigue. Garlic helps improve circulation and oxygen flow, reducing the risk of heart disease. It also helps regulate cortisol levels, a hormone linked to stress, and may relieve fatigue and stress. Garlic's high vitamin B6 content is necessary for energy metabolism, helping to reduce weariness. 10. Increases brain health. Garlic's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help protect the brain from damage and aging. Studies have shown that regular garlic consumption can improve cognitive functions like memory and attention span. Garlic may also reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as dementia. The risks of raw garlic. While garlic has many health benefits, consuming it raw can have some downsides. Here are a few potential risks to be aware of. 1. Gastrointestinal distress. Raw garlic contains high levels of fructans, a type of carbohydrate that can be difficult for some people to digest. This can lead to bloating, gas, and even diarrhea, especially in those with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Cooking garlic can help break down fructans and make it easier to digest. 2. Skin irritation. Applying raw garlic directly to the skin can cause irritation or burns due to its compound allicin. This can lead to redness, itching, and even blistering. To avoid this, handle garlic carefully and consider mixing crushed garlic with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. 3. Interaction with medications. Garlic can interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners like warfarin, increasing the risk of bleeding. It can also affect the effectiveness of HIV medications and some chemotherapy drugs. Always consult with a healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of raw garlic or taking garlic supplements. 4. Bad breath and body odor. Garlic's strong odor can linger on your breath and skin for hours after consumption. Remedies like chewing on fresh parsley, drinking milk, or brushing your teeth can help neutralize the smell. How to safely consume garlic. Despite the potential risks, garlic remains a powerful ingredient when consumed properly. Here are some tips to help you enjoy its benefits safely. 1. Cooked garlic. Cooking garlic can help mellow its flavor and make it easier to digest. Roasting or sautéing garlic can reduce the risk of gastrointestinal problems while still providing health benefits. 2. Start slowly. If you decide to consume raw garlic, start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake. This allows your body to adjust and reduces the risk of digestive issues. 3. Combining methods for maximum nutritional content. Combine methods of garlic consumption. Swallow a whole clove on an empty stomach in the morning and add chopped or mashed garlic to your meals at lunch. This approach helps you get the majority of garlic's health benefits while minimizing negative effects. 4. Moderation is key consuming. Too much raw garlic can lead to nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea due to an overdose of allicin. Moderation is essential to enjoy garlic's benefits without unwanted side effects. Consult your doctor. Before starting any new supplement, including garlic supplements, talk to your doctor, especially if you're on medication or have health concerns. They can provide personalized advice on how to safely incorporate garlic into your diet. Conclusion: enjoy garlic wisely. Garlic is a powerful ingredient with numerous health benefits. However, consuming it raw can have some negative effects. By cooking garlic or consuming it in small amounts, you can enjoy its benefits without the risks. Remember to start slowly, combine methods of consumption, and consult your doctor for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family who need this information. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and updates. Your support is important for us to continue providing valuable content. You can also show appreciation and support for our work by clicking the join and thanks buttons below the video with a small token. Your journey to better health is a shared one, and together we can uplift each other towards wellness and a life full of movement and joy. Remember, your body is capable of remarkable healing, given the chance and the right support. Treat it with care, patience, and love. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.